How to keep the pink heart in Block Blast. Hey everyone, in today's video, I'll show you how to keep the pink heart in Block Blast and make sure you don't lose it. Stick around till the end for the best tips to maintain your streak. Let's get started. Open the Block Blast game. Tap on the classic. Play the game. The pink heart is a special bonus that you get for streaks and consistent gameplay. To keep it, avoid failing a level or losing all your moves. Plan your moves carefully to clear blocks efficiently. Avoid placing blocks randomly, as it can lead to getting stuck. If you're close to losing, use a power-up to clear difficult blocks. This helps maintain your winning streak and keeps the pink heart active. Some challenges reward you with a pink heart. Make sure to complete daily tasks to extend its duration. If you exit the game for too long, you may lose the pink heart. Try to keep playing or check in frequently to maintain it. And that's how you keep the pink heart in Block Blast. If this video helped you, hit the like button and subscribe for more tips. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Thanks for watching.